In this video, I want to talk about the collections class. So we've talked about the collections interface, but there is also a collections class. And the collection class has a bunch of static methods. It's like a utility class for us to use when we're working with these collections. Let's take a look at it. Some of the things we might want to do with a collection is sort it. So we can say collections.sort, and we can pass in a list and it will sort the list for us. We can do a collection and we can do a binary search. So collection.binary search will let us pass in a list and it will do a binary search, which we know is very much more efficient than a regular old sequential search. There's methods there to take a list and reverse it. There's methods to shuffle a list. If maybe we create a list full of playing cards that we can call shuffle, it'll shuffle it for us. Shuffles a specified list randomly. That's kind of handy. We can create copies of a list. For any collection, we can find the max or min of the items that it contains. We might need to define a comparator, which is also included in this chapter, but I'm not going to cover it too closely. If something doesn't have a way to compare two things, we can't tell it to find a maximum, minimum, or even tell it to do an order. We have to create a comparator to define how we're going to decide which one is bigger and which one is smaller. So the collections class provides a lot of useful utilities: finding maximums, finding minimums, finding if elements are in common, reversing things, sorting things, searching things. And it's always, they're static methods. So it's always collection.sort or collection.reverse. And then inside the parentheses, you provide it with the reference to whatever collection you're trying to work with.